Hi, I'm Jael with Crew Restoration and Construction. We are the crew that cares. I'm the lead estimator and I specialize in roofing and exterior product. My role is to make sure that every project is scoped, priced, and handled the right way from the very beginning. I've been in this industry over 20 years, working with suppliers from across the home services space. I've also spent time as an insurance adjuster. So I've seen the process from multiple sides, materials, construction, and insurance. At Crew, I've been estimating and helping customers with their projects for over 5 years. I really enjoy working through the details of each job. A big part of what I do is working directly with insurance adjusters, reviewing scopes, negotiating pricing, working with customers, and making sure everything is accounted for properly. My goal is to make sure owners are fully taken care of financially throughout the entire process. That means making sure that nothing is missed, everything is documented correctly, and they're able to get the level of quality and both service and construction that you deserve. At the end of the day, it's all about doing things right, from the numbers to the final product. I take a lot of pride in that, and I appreciate the opportunity to help guide your project. Crew Restoration and Construction, we are the crew that cares.